Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing the first unit of our GK book. Okay, so we have done already about we have already done two topics from the GK book, and today I'm going to start with the next topic from your GK book, that is the from unit number 1 only. So the next topic that I'm going to start is all at sea. Okay, so this is the next topic we will start. Okay, so here in this topic we will discuss about the various facts that are related to the sea. Okay, so इसमें हम sea से related facts के बारे में बात करेंगे, and this topic is given at page number 12 है. Okay, so open your books, and while watching this video kindly open your books at page number 12. Okay, and the topic is all at sea. Okay, so here first of all I'll just start with the heading. The world of seas and oceans is fascinating, vast, beautiful, and rich with marine life. To know more about oceans, find the words in the grid from the clues given below. Okay, so देखिए आज इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि the marine life is quite very beautiful. You will find number of various aquatic and beautiful animals in the marine in the sea. Okay, so these animals are quite beautiful. Okay, and they look so much beautiful that you enjoy all of you enjoy being see मतलब that you enjoy seeing. So now here इन देखो आपको एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स आपने देखे होंगे जैसे कि ब्लू व्हेल, मतलब हो सकता है रियलिटी में नहीं देखे होंगे, बट you must have them pictures. So some of the fishes, they look so beautiful, just like jellyfish, starfish. Okay, so such a great fishes are there. Okay, in this topic we will discuss about some of the facts that are related to our marine life. तो समुद्री जीवन से related, okay, some of the water bodies, some of the marine life and the marine animals, aquatic animals, we are going to discuss in this chapter. Clear? Here I am starting with the first question. Okay, so here the grid is given as you can see, but we are not going to answer these questions with the help of grid. We are just going to write down the answers of the blanks that are given here. Okay, so the first question that is here is, it is the largest ocean on earth. Okay, so which ocean is termed as the largest ocean in the world? तो दुनिया का ऐसा कौन सा ओशन है जिसको कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ओशन कहा जाता है? सो विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड? दैट इज पैसिफिक ओशन. दैट इज पैसिफिक ओशन. सो पैसिफिक ओशन इज द लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड. तो पैसिफिक ओशन दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ओशन. Okay, so how can you term it as a largest ocean? This is termed as a largest ocean because the depth of Pacific Ocean is more than the height of Mount Everest. Okay, so Mount Everest, you all are very well aware of it. So Mount Everest क्या है बेटा? Mount Everest Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. तो दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची highest mountain peak कौन सी है? That is Mount Everest. So Mount Everest has the largest mountain peak in the world. Okay, and here it is mentioned आपने मतलब आप when you will go to you have must have studied in the class 3 कि that जो पैसिफिक ओशन की गहराई है वो माउंट एवरेस्ट की ऊंचाई से भी ज़्यादा है. Okay, so Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It is the deepest ocean in the world, and other than that, there is the deepest known point of an ocean. देखिए जहाँ पे हम कहते हैं कि like the river, तो river जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा गहरी होती है उसको हम कहते हैं कि जो नदी है वो बीच में बहुत गहरी है. Okay, so just like that, there is the deepest point in an ocean as well. दैट इज़ नोन एज ट्रेंच. तो वैसे ही ओशंस का भी सबसे गहराई होती है जहाँ पे उसको ट्रेंच बोला जाता है. ओके, एंड द डीपेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ एन ओशन इज known as trench, and Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench, this is the deepest trench of an ocean and it lies in Pacific Ocean. तो जो Pacific Ocean है, जो उसका deepest trench है, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा गहराई है, जिसको कि Mariana Trench बोला जाता है, that also lies in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Okay, and its depth is more than the height of the Mount Everest, so you can say that it is the deepest ocean in the world. Okay. Okay, so here the Pacific spelling is a little bit wrong, so kindly correct it. The Pacific spelling is Pacific, Pacific. It is written wrong, some students have written it wrong. It is the Pacific, Pacific. The spelling is wrong here. That is Pacific. Chaliye, next is, this ocean lies between the continents of Europe and Africa on one side and South America and North America on the other. So now we are talking about one of the ocean, okay, that lies between the continents of Europe and Africa on the one side and South America and the North America on the other side. So now we are talking about one of the ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean. तो देखिए, this Atlantic Ocean, it is surrounded by, or it lies between, or it is surrounded by the 4 different continents. Okay, so देखिए, here the Atlantic Ocean lies between the 4 continents. Okay, so from one side there is a continent of Europe and Africa. So African continent and Europe continent. On the one side of the Atlantic Ocean there is Europe continent, and on the other side is Africa continent. Okay, whereas on the other side there is South America and the North America. So that means it is bounded by, or you can say it lies between, or the different continents, that is Europe, Africa, South America and North America. So the name of this continent is Atlantic Ocean. So the name of this ocean is not that is the name of this not ocean, that the name of this ocean is, that is Atlantic Ocean. So we are not talking about the continent, we are talking about the ocean. So Atlantic Ocean lies between Europe and Africa from the one side, and on the other side it lies between South America and the North America. Next is the third one. This sea is connected to the Atlantic Ocean and has islands like Sicily, Sardinia and Cyprus. So now we are talking about one of the sea, okay, that is connected to the Atlantic Ocean, and it has several number of islands on it. Okay, and this sea is connected to the Atlantic Ocean. So what is the name of this sea? That is Mediterranean Sea. That is Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean, Mediterranean Sea. So name is little bit, the pronunciation, कई बच्चों को Mediterranean बोलते हैं, but it is not Mediterranean, it is Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and it is connected, Mediterranean Sea is connected with Atlantic Ocean from the one side, and there are several other very popular islands that lie on this sea. Okay, so the name of this these islands are Sicily, Sardinia and Cyprus. So these are the name of the 3 famous islands that lie on this sea, that is Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea is connected to the Atlantic Ocean from on the one side, and other than that the beautiful islands like Sicily, Sardinia and Cyprus, they lie on the, these are the name of the islands that lie in Mediterranean Sea. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. This continent is famous for the Great Barrier Reef. So now we are talking about one of the continent, okay, and it has a Great Barrier Reef is located in this continent. So in which continent you will find the Great Barrier Reef? So we can find Great Barrier Reef in Australia continent. Okay, so Great Barrier Reef is located in Australian continent. So what is Great Barrier Reef? So I'll just show you here a tidbit is given. So this is Great Barrier Reef. देखिए tidbits में दिया हुआ है. The Great Barrier Reef, measuring approximately 1,250 miles, has been characterized somewhat inaccurately as the largest structure ever built by the living creatures. Okay, so ये एक बैरियर रीफ है जो कि बहुत सारे जैसे यू कैन सी द ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ इज जस्ट एन एरिया दैट इज़ कवर्ड बाय द नंबर ऑफ क्रिएचर्स. बहुत अलग अलग क्रिएचर्स यहाँ पे हैं और ये एरिया एक दूसरे का ग्रास और ये जंगली की तरह एक इलाका है. ओके, एंड यू कैन फाइंड न्यूमरस नंबर्स ऑफ क्रिएचर्स ऑन इट, and the area that is being covered by these creatures is near about 1,250 miles. So this is the area that is being covered under this Great Barrier Reef, and this is the largest ever built structure by the living creatures. Okay, so उसी से रिलेटेड बेटा ये क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. दिस कॉन्टिनेंट इज द फेमस for the Great Barrier Reef. So which continent is famous for the Great Barrier Reef? That is Australia. That is Australia. So Australia is famous for its Great Barrier Reef. Next is the fifth one. It is the largest inland water body on the earth. The sea is bordered by 5 countries. Okay, so now we are talking about the largest water body on the earth, inland water body, and this sea is bordered by 5 countries. So that means this sea touches the border of 5 countries. So what is the name of this sea? So the name of this sea is, that is Caspian Sea. Okay, so the name of the sea is Caspian Sea. So Caspian Sea कहाँ है बेटा? So देखिए the Caspian Sea is the largest inland water body on the earth. So Caspian Sea is the largest inland water body on the earth. उसके अलावा ओके, सो दिस कैस्पियन सी टचेज द बाउंड्री ऑफ 5 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. ओके, जो ये कैस्पियन सी है इट ऑल्सो टचेज द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ 5 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. सो 5 अलग अलग कंट्रीज की बाउंड्रीज को भी टच करता है. सो दिस इज कैस्पियन सी. ओके, सो कैस्पियन सी इज द लार्जेस्ट इनलैंड वाटर बॉडी ऑन द अर्थ, and it is also bordered by the 5 countries. So Caspian Sea is bordered by 5 different countries, and it is the largest inland water body on the earth. चलिए, next is the sixth one. This is the deepest known point in the ocean on earth. Okay, किसी भी ocean में सबसे deepest known point है on the earth is, that is Mariana Trench. That is Mariana Trench. Okay, this is the deepest known point in the ocean on earth. तो किसी भी ocean में जो सबसे गहराई वाला जो इलाका होता है, गहराई वाला पोर्शन होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रेंच. ओके, एंड दुनिया का सबसे गहरा ocean, which is the deepest ocean in the world, that I have told you in the first question as well, that is Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world, and Mariana Trench, okay, this is the deepest trench in an ocean. This also lies in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so this is the deepest point in the ocean on earth. Okay, and this Mariana Trench lies, जो मारियाना ट्रेंच है बेटा ये that lies this is the name of the trench, that is Mariana, that is lies in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so the deepest known point of an ocean is the trench, and the Mariana Trench is the deepest point of the Pacific Ocean. Next is 7. This sea is located in the southeast Europe. Its bottom layer contains almost no life. So now we are talking about one of the sea that is located in the Europe. Its bottom layer contains almost no life, and there is no life on the bottom layer of this sea. So what is the name of this sea? This is Black Sea. Okay, this is Black Sea. So this Black Sea is located in the southeast of Europe. The European countries, the southeast Europe है, so this Black Sea lies there. okay, and its bottom layer contains almost no life, so you can hardly find, okay, at least no life actually means there is no life on the bottom layer of this Black Sea. Okay, so have you ever heard that जिसको हम बोलेंगे why it is known as the Black Sea, and why there is no life? Because there are numerous numbers of aquatic animals that live in the sea, but on the bottom layer of this Black Sea there is no life. Why? The reason behind it, because the this bottom layer of this Black Sea has such minerals or such gases in it that none of the living being like the aquatic animals or the aquatic plants, they can't survive in that atmosphere or the environment. So that's why there is no life there, neither a plant is there, neither you can find any animal or the aquatic animal, okay, anything there. Okay, so this is the reason why there it is known as that it has no life on its bottom layer. So this is the Black Sea. तो ये ब्लैक सी क्यों कहा जाता है? तो ब्लैक सी इज लोकेटेड इन द साउथ ईस्ट यूरोप, तो ये साउथ ईस्ट यूरोप में ये ब्लैक सी लाई करता है नज़र आता है। ओके, और जो इसका निचला तल्ला है ब्लैक सी का, वहाँ पे कोई भी किसी भी तरह की लाइफ नहीं है। दैट मीन्स ना वहाँ पे कोई एक्वेटिक एनिमल पाया जाता है, ना ही वहाँ पे कोई एक्वेटिक प्लांट पाया जाता है। सो द रीज़न, इसके पीछे का रीज़न क्या है? तो बेटा इसके पीछे का रीज़न ये है कि दे आर सच गैसेस और सच मिनरल्स जो वहाँ पे ऐसी गैसेस पाई जाती है उसकी बॉटम लेयर में, कि जिसकी वजह से कि कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट आर नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव देयर। सो दैट्स वाई this sea is known as Black Sea. Moving next to the eighth one. This is part of the sea or of a lake, large lake, partially surrounded by a wide curve of the land. Okay, so now we are talking about the sea or a large lake, partially surrounded by a wide curve of the land. तो किसी भी सी का और किसी भी बड़ी सी झील का जो ऐसा एक एरिया जो कि एक लैंड से, चौड़े से लैंड से सराउंडेड होता है, so what is the name of that partially surrounded um, area of that land? That is known as bay. Bay means खाड़ी, जैसे बंगाल की खाड़ी हम कहेंगे बे ऑफ बंगाल। सो जैसे दिस इज द पार्शली सराउंडेड एरिया of a sea or a lake, okay, and that is known as bay, और जिसको हम कह सकते हैं खाड़ी। क्लियर? चलिए, now moving next to the ninth one. These animals are called the vacuum cleaners of the sea. So now the another question is that these animals are known as the vacuum cleaners of the sea. So जिस animals की हम बात कर रहे हैं इनको vacuum cleaner बोला जाता है। The name of the animal that is known as the vacuum cleaner of the sea is, that is sea cucumber. That is sea cucumber. So why sea cucumber is known as the vacuum cleaners of the sea? Okay, so the reason behind it is, as you know, okay, so you all of you must be knowing the vacuum cleaners. Okay, vacuum cleaner सबको पता है. So what is the function of vacuum cleaner? So the function of vacuum cleaner is that it sucks all the dust फ्रॉम योर हाउसेज। सो जहाँ पे भी आप वैक्यूम क्लीनर चलाओगे तो वो क्या करता है, वहाँ से सारी गंदगी चूस के उसको, मतलब गंदगी निकाल के वो फेंक देता है। सो इट वर्क्स एज अ क्लीनर। तो वैक्यूम उसमें लगा होता है, चूस के वो सब फेंक देता है, मतलब घर की गंदगी, मिट्टी, धूल सब करके जस्ट मतलब उसको कलेक्ट कर लेता है, और देन वी कैन जस्ट डिस्पोज इट ऑफ। Okay, so just like that, so these sea cucumbers, what they do, so they eat all the leftovers and the parasites in the, मतलब जो left overs, मतलब जो बाकी मछलियों द्वारा खाया गया खाना है, उसके जो बचे हुए कुछ अंश हैं, या कोई भी मरी डेड फिश है, कुछ भी है, so these sea cucumbers used to eat that. Okay, so जिसकी वजह से ये वो खाते हैं, and that that all the parasites or the deads that are that are eat by them, and that is the reason that all that get removed from there, and that's why these are known as the vacuum cleaners. So indirectly they are cleaning the sea by taking it as their food, all the leftovers and the parasites. Okay, and that's why they are known as the sea, so they are known as the vacuum cleaners of the sea. So what is the actual name of this animal? That is sea cucumbers. So sea cucumbers are known as the vacuum cleaners of the sea. Okay, so this was from the topic that was the all at sea. Okay, so as a quite the topic was a little bit short, so I have decided that we should do one more small topic from your book only. So that is, okay, so this is the next topic we are going to discuss. That is, so in this topic, Mighty Mountains, we'll discuss about the different mountain peaks that are located in the different countries of the world. Okay, so how they have, how they are different from the other mountain ranges, what are their features, characteristics. So all these things we are going to talk in, we're going to discuss in this session. So here the heading is, how well do you know the mountains of the world? Answer the questions to find out. So how better we know the different mountain ranges that are located in the different parts of the world. So we are going to discuss about them, starting with the first one. In which country will you find the twin peaks of Great Ararat and the Little Ararat? ओके, सो आपको किस कंट्री में ये दो ट्विन पीक्स हैं? द नेम ऑफ दिस ट्विन पीक्स इज ग्रेट अरारत एंड द लिटिल अरारत. सो इन विच कंट्री विल यू फाइंड these twin peaks? So we can find these twin peaks of Great Ararat and the Little Ararat in Turkey. So we can find these twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat in Turkey. So these are the name. This is the name these are the name of two mountain peaks that looks alike. तो twin का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Twin means something that the twins means दो चीज़ें ऐसी जो कि एक जैसी नज़र आती हैं. So if we talk about the twin brothers, sisters, so they most of them they look similar. So we call them twins. दोनों एक जैसे नज़र आते हैं, they are twins. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है. तो मतलब most in some cases, in the human cases, some resemble to each other, some don't. Okay. So but here we are talking about the twin peaks that look alike. Okay, and the name of these twin peaks is Great Ararat and the Little Ararat, and these twin peaks are located in Turkey. Moving next to the second one. Okay, so they are located, these two twin peaks are located in Turkey. Moving next to the second one, which is the highest mountain peak in Africa? Okay, so अफ्रीका की सबसे ऊंची हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक कौन सी है? सो द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन अफ्रीका इज माउंट किलिमंजारो. सो द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन अफ्रीका इज माउंट किलिमंजारो. MT means mount, so MT stands for mount. Okay, and the Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. So the highest mountain peak in Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. Moving next to the third one, which mountain range forms a natural boundary between the Italy and the Switzerland in Europe? So ऐसी कौन सी माउंटेन रेंजेस हैं जो कि नेचुरल बाउंड्री बनाती हैं इटली और स्विट्ज़रलैंड के बीच में? दैट इज़ लोकेटेड इन यूरोप. So the name of these natural mountain ranges that forms a natural border between Italy and Europe is, that is the Alps. So what is the meaning of this natural boundary? Natural boundary means the boundary that is created by the nature. ओके, एक ऐसी बाउंड्री लाइन की दे जस्ट डिवाइड द एरिया. जैसे हम इंडिया पाकिस्तान की बात करें, सो देयर इज़ अ बाउंड्री लाइन हमारी जहाँ से कि मतलब आफ्टर दिस बाउंड्री लाइन दिस मच एरिया इज़ इन द पाकिस्तान एंड अदर दैन इज़ इन इंडिया. सो दिस इज़ अ बाउंड्री लाइन, एक निशान होता है. सो वैसे ही देयर इज़ अ बाउंड्री दैट इज़ फॉर्म्ड बाय द नेचर. तो एक नेचर ने ही एक पहाड़ के रूप में एक बाउंड्री बना दी है बिटवीन द इटली एंड द स्विट्ज़रलैंड. That is the both are the European countries. So what is the name of that natural so that mountain ranges that forms a natural boundary between the Italy and Switzerland? So that is the Alps. That is the Alps. ALPS, Alps. Moving next to the fourth one, name the longest mountain range on land in the world. तो दुनिया की सबसे लंबी माउंटेन रेंज जो धरती के ऊपर है. Okay, so what is the name of that longest mountain ranges that is located on land in the world? So the name of the longest mountain range on the land in the world is, that is Andes. ANDES, Andes. That is Andes. ANDES. That is Andes. So Andes is the longest mountain range on land in the world. Fifth, Which two countries of the world are connected by the Khyber Pass? दुनिया की ऐसी दो कौन सी कंट्रीज हैं जो कि एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हैं खाइबर पास के थ्रू? So the countries though which are connected to each other with Khyber passes, these two are the name of the neighboring countries of our India, that is Pakistan and Afghanistan. So Pakistan and Afghanistan, these two countries are connected with each other. तो ये दोनों countries एक दूसरे से connected हैं through Khyber Pass. Okay, so this is the name of a pass. Mountain forms और mountains ही हैं बेटा ये भी. Okay, and the name is Khyber Pass, and this Khyber Pass connects two countries, that is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan के spelling PAKISTAN Pakistan, and Afghanistan AFGHANISTAN Afghanistan. Clear? Moving next to the sixth. Name the range that run parallel to the Rocky Mountains in North America. ओके ऐसे माउंटेन रेंजेस के बारे में बताइए जो कि नॉर्थ अमेरिका में जो रॉकी माउंटेन्स हैं उनके बिल्कुल पैरेलल चलते हैं. सो दीज माउंटेन रेंजेस दे रन पैरेलल टू द रॉकी माउंटेन्स दैट आर लोकेटेड इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका. सो द नेम ऑफ दीज माउंटेन रेंजेस इज सीरा नेवाडा. दैट इज सीरा नेवाडा, SIERRA, सीरा नेवाडा, NEVADA. सीरा नेवाडा is the name of the mountain ranges that run parallel to the Rocky Mountains in the North America. Moving next, which mountain range acts as a natural boundary between the France and the Spain? As I have explained earlier as well, that the mountain ranges that forms the natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland. तो जैसे इटली और स्विट्जरलैंड के बीच में दो जो the Alps and they form the natural boundary. So just like that, there's a mountain range. ऐसी एक mountain range है जो कि फ्रांस और स्पेन के बीच में भी natural boundary बनाती हैं. So what is the name of those mountain ranges? So that is Pyrenees. That is Pyrenees. So Pyrenees mountain ranges, they form a natural boundary between the France and the Spain. Pyrenees, PYRENEES. The Pyrenees, they form a natural the Pyrenees mountain ranges, they form the natural boundary between the France and the Spain. Moving next to the eighth one. Name the highest mountain in the Japan that is also an active volcano. Okay, ऐसा mountain range जो कि that is located in Japan, जो कि जापान में है. Okay, and this is the highest mountain range in the Japan, and it is also an active volcano. This is the highest mountain range in Japan. तो जापान में सबसे ऊंचा mountain range कौन सा है? That is Mount Fuji. That is Amt Fuji or Mount Fuji, and it is also an active volcano. So it is also an active volcano. So lava still comes out of it, and it is going to be burst in the future, may or may not be. Okay, so this mountain range is the highest mountain range in Japan, and it has the active volcano as well. The name of this highest mountain range in Japan, which is also an active volcano, that is Mount Fuji. Moving next to the ninth one. Which mountain range marks the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe? ऐसे कौन से mountain ranges हैं जो कि एशिया और यूरोप के बीच में natural boundaries बनवाते हैं, traditional boundaries बनाते हैं. So just like the traditional natural boundary between the Spain and the France. Okay, so here also we are talking about the mountain ranges that forms a traditional boundary between Asia and Europe. So here the Asia and Europe, these are the name of the two different continents. So the mountain ranges that forms the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe are the Urals. URALS, that is Urals. The Urals form the traditional boundary between the Asia and the Europe. Next to the last, the second highest mountain in the world, K2, is located in which range? तो दुनिया का दूसरा सबसे ऊंचा माउंटेन रेंज that is K2 और भी क्या कहा जाता है, that is all the name of the K2 is Godwin Austen, but it is also known as K2. Okay, ये किस माउंटेन रेंजेस में आता है? So second highest mountain range in the world, that is K2, is located in which range? That is Karakoram range. That is Karakoram range. Karakoram. That is Karakoram range. So second highest mountain in the world, K2, is located in Karakoram range. Okay, so this was from the topic the mighty mountains. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.